Is your 2015-2023 Dodge Challenger key fob not working? It's likely a dead battery. Replacing it is a simple DIY task that can save you money. These models use a CR232 battery, costing around $5. This video will guide you through the process, which involves basic disassembly and reassembly and is much easier than you think, typically taking only 3 to 5 minutes. You will need a small flathead screwdriver, coin, or plastic pry tool. First, locate the seam on your fob. Gently pry it open, being careful not to scratch the plastic. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the correct orientation, positive side up. Insert the new battery with the same orientation. Snap the fob back together firmly and test its functionality by pressing the buttons. To maintain your fob, avoid water exposure and extreme temperatures. If the fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, try reprogramming it via the vehicle's ignition or consult a dealership. Aim to replace your battery every 1 to 3 years.